Here at Chaparral Motorsports, we have an impressive 160,000 square foot retail showroom. What's equally impressive are the number of tires that we have in stock or ready for pickup at a moment's notice. As you can see here, we've got scooter tires, dirt bike tires, ATV tires. Come on in and take a look. The numbers of tires we have here in our consumer tire warehouse are staggering. But right now, I'm going to take you on a behind the scenes tour of our actual tire warehouse. It's across the street. Come with me and take a look. So before we step into the warehouse, let me show you this part of the process. These containers just got dropped off this week. We're in the process of unloading those onto pallets so they can get moved into the warehouse and that process can begin. So when the tires arrive in containers, they come nestled like this, but stacked completely to the ceiling. When they get here, we count them, stack them on pallets, and move them into the warehouse. Once out of the container and palletized, they get moved here into our climate-controlled warehouse, where they wait to go to the racks. Now here we find ourselves in the blue rack section of the warehouse. This is the final resting place for these tires before they go out to you, the end consumer. Whether they go across the street into our retail showroom or they get put on a UPS truck and shipped to your front door, we have tires for any year, make, model of powersport vehicle that you happen to drive. I'm Kyle Bratz from Chaparral Motorsports. Thank you for taking this tour with us. Until next time, take care and ride safe.